So we've done a few videos on care and different aspects of it, but I want to talk about the care after the shower and in between washing your extensions. What does that look like? So first of all, I suggest investing in a good wet brush. So we have a few that we offer. We give it to all of our first-time clients so that they have the tool that is going to help. It just is easier to brush through, it's not gonna hurt, and it allows you to get in really high with the extension. So wet brush is really good. So it's a 10. Now you can use any product that goes along with your brand and what you have in your salon. This is just what we use here that we have found that works amazing. So it's a 10 is a leave-in conditioner, and then we have the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Now I have used this for, I don't even know, 15 years. And I always joke that if I was gonna go on a deserted island and I could take one product, this would be the one, extensions or no extensions. I feel like it helps the hair dry, it gets a little bit of the frizz away, and it allows the style to hold a little bit. So these two together, I spray those on and rub them in from here down, brush it regardless of if you let it air dry or you blow dry. Those are always no negotiating my two products that I go to. And then when I am done getting ready and everything is dry, I like the Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press. And this is a heat protectant. If you guys are putting heat on your hair, ladies, it is a must with extensions. Our hair has a little bit more of a life source than the extensions. They're not connected to anything. So we need to make sure that we're doing all the steps that just ensure that everything is just taken care of, and the heat protectant is going to help the longevity of your extensions. So then the next thing that we do every single morning that I wake up, so I curl my hair once every week and a half. So I do it one time, and if I need to do a few touch-ups, I will. But in the morning, I like the Kevin Murphy Shimmer Shine, and I just do a little shakes. It's got some cool little, I don't know, little flakes in there. And I will spray on the inside of my hair, on the outside, and brush it, and that's it. If I need a little bit of dry shampoo, I'll do that at the roots, but those are the products that I really feel just help with the lifespan of your extensions. I have clients that come in and they can go a year and a half with the same set of extensions because they are using all the right products and they're taking care of their hair. And then I have some that need hair replaced more frequently. So it is up to you as the client and up to us as the stylist to really educate our guests and to know how to properly care for this amazing investment that just gives us the most amazing confidence that we could have never imagined.